How beautiful the graveyards are, and if you can have your dream home just beside them, how amazing it will be, isn't it? So, here I am with your dream home. Welcome to Radhaishi Estate. I'm Monica Radhaishi, your dedicated guide to extraordinary properties. Today, we are in Ozar, Maharashtra to show you Shree Lakshmi Villas constructed by Mahalaxmi Buildcon. Your villas are just 5 kilometers away from airport, 20 kilometers away from Nashik railway station and 1 kilometer away from Mumbai National Highway. These are twin bungalows. The built-up area of a single bungalow is 2,100 square feet. In the parking area, you can park one two-wheeler and one four-wheeler at a time. At the main entrance, you will be provided with an intercom system for security. Let me take you inside. This is the beautiful hall with a furnished TV on it. Measures 16 by 17 square feet. The whole floor of the house is made with 5 by 2.5 square feet standard glazed tiles. This is the area where you can get direct sunlight, and it is designed based on Vastu. Now we are going into the kitchen. This is the kitchen counter. The kitchen countertop is made with artificial granite, which is stronger than granite and even easy to clean. This is the small kitchen storeroom. Let us see the kitchen balcony. This is the area where you got your septic tank, and it is a capacity of 10,000 liters. And here is the area for the washing machine. And we are done with the kitchen balcony. And the kitchen measures 10 by 17 square feet. Let us see the first bedroom. The first bedroom measures 10.5 by 10.5 square feet. And here is the attached bathroom with a pleasing design. This is the fabricated staircase to go to the upstairs. The glass railing filled with natural light welcomes you to the first floor. This is the family sitting area. Here you can have your family time together. It measures 10 by 17 square feet. It is also having a common bathroom. Let us enter into the second bedroom, which is similar to the first bedroom with 10.5 by 10.5 square feet. With beautifully designed bathroom. And finally, the special room, the third bedroom. Which measures 11.5 by 11.5 square feet. The whole house has polycab wiring and POP. This is the main balcony to enjoy the beautiful view. Here you can enjoy your pleasant mornings and also relaxed evenings. The front gallery measures 7 by 6 square feet. How beautiful the view is. And now let us move to the terrace. This is also the fabricated staircase that continues. And here is the door for the security purpose. This is the leak-proof terrace with brick-bat Koba construction. And there is a beautiful surprise for you. That is this garden bed. This garden bed measures 11 by 5 square feet for your terrace gardening. And from here you can have the whole view of your villas. With this, we are going to end the tour of your villa. If you like to know more about this villas, please contact the number mentioned on the screen or in the description box below to own one of these beautiful villas. See you again with another amazing property. Until then, take care. It's Monica Radhaishi signing off.